Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adib. Today I'm going to show you how to verify Facebook account. So open the Facebook app, and what you know already that Facebook and Instagram are linked because Instagram owns Facebook, and Facebook owns Instagram and under the same roof, which is Meta. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my menu at the below right corner, move on to the settings gear at the top right, and what you're going to see, you're going to see multiple options right here. Click the Meta. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just move on to the next step, which is Meta Verified. And it says right here you are on the wait list. Thank you for your interest. And it says right here, we will send you a notification when Meta Verified is available to you. So probably my account didn't meet some sort of criteria. That's why this message appeared. So once my account is reached, so many friends, so many followers, and have publicity as it needs, I'm gonna join the Meta Verified, and I'm gonna be able to pay my bills and subscribe to the Meta Verified to get the badge. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.